you so much. And a good friend of yours also. I think you forgot to mention that.
Sure.
So that's what Modi Care does, along with giving us the business opportunity, it expands our family. That our family and friends have become so big and so many now. I mean, we are so blessed. Money, definitely, yes, you earn, but the blessings, the wishes, the good thinking of everybody, that's something amazing which this opportunity really gives. So thank you, Prema, very much. And a very good evening to all of you sitting there. And I'm happy to be here once again with you. And Prema, today I'm not going to do any training, Prema. I've just come here to talk to all of you, to see you all. But everybody's sitting with their cameras off. I can't see anybody. I can see very few people. So it'll be nice if I can see a few of you, the smiling faces, the nice faces of all of you will make me also feel a little happy. So can few of you open your cameras and show yourselves? We have so many leaders. Okay, thank you. That's wonderful. So many of you. Thank you so much. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Fine, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy to see so many participants at 7 o'clock in the evening, a time when it is dinner time for women. Men must have just come back from the office a little tired. But all of you have opened your Zoom and you have logged on. It means you all are committed. It means you all want to learn something. So I'm going to just share my experience with me, and I will speak in simple English. I hope you all understand it. And it's going to be so simple. I'm sure you'll all understand it. Nothing complicated. And I would also request you all to translate it in whichever language you want to your team tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, thank you so much. So I start this evening's program. It says how to identify your rising stars, correct? That's a topic for today.
Yes.
So I will begin with the end in mind. That means what? It means duplication is the key of success in network marketing, because it is a teamwork that we are all doing. We are all interconnected with each other in this business. One person cannot succeed. You have to, it means if you are successful, it means you are working in a team. Correct? So
Yes.
that is the first reason for you to become successful. It means you are a good team player. Okay? Now, coming to how to identify your rising stars. So I want to ask all of you a question. When I say rising stars, ask yourself a question. Are you a rising star in your network, in your business?
Yes.
Are you a rising star for your upline? Definitely yes. That is why all of you have come here today. If you all are not rising stars, you all won't be there in today's program, because the first thing of a rising star is they participate in all the programs. So, which I will be sharing with you during the interaction of my program. So, I'm just going to do some screen sharing and go on quickly on today's very interesting topic. In fact, morning I had spoken to few of our team people and they were so excited. They said, wow, today's topic is something really very interesting. I want to know how to identify people in my team who are ready to work. Okay. So today's topic, let's go directly on to today's topic. Okay. Yes. You all can see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yes. Okay. Now, the first trait of a rising star or of anybody who wants to do well in business, in any area of life, the first and the most important thing is accepting the responsibility or taking an initiative, right? That's very important. When you join the business or when you register, The first day when you register the form and join into Modi Care Opportunity, what is the form that you sign? It means you are the business owner of your business. You are the owner of your business. That is the first thing that you do when you sign. It means you accept the responsibility or you start taking an initiative. So when you look at somebody and when he signs the form, I'm sure he signs with the thinking that this is the business where I am going to take the initiative and do the business for myself, by myself, with the help of my team. Upline. In this business, nobody can help you succeed or nobody can help you fail. Only you can take the responsibility of success or failure. We are there only to show you the way. But if you accept 100% responsibility for your business, it means you are the rising star. And if anybody in your team takes the responsibility of their success or failure, they are the rising star. Now, what is the meaning of success or failure, or what is the meaning of taking responsibility? Coming to the next one, stimulus, that means situation. What happens to you? That is a situation. Do we have control over any situation?
No.
We do not have any control. Like, for example, it's been raining for the past 2 days, or there is so much of corona outside. That is the situation. We have no control over it. Correct?
Yes.
But the response, do you have control over the response? Yes, we do have. Response means whether you react or act. Based on your response, you will get the result. That means if there is any situation which has come in your life, the result of that only solely depends upon your reaction or action. Now, what is the difference between react or act? React means when you do anything without thinking, that is react, that is reaction. What is act? When you do something by thinking, that is action. That is a person who's accepting responsibility. Corona is there outside. What am I supposed to do? You find so many people outside without the mask, not following the protocols. And if they get the problem, there are chances of them getting the infection is higher. That is the result. Once you get the result, it's your result. You cannot grumble about it. You cannot complain about it because you have chosen that result. But if you take the precautions, if you go with your mouth covered, if you do your hand thing, they say the chances of you getting it is very, very low. It's just 1 or 2%. So 99%, the result of it is wonderful. That means what? Anything in life, whatever happens to you, I'm not only talking about the business. Yes, now coming to the business. Say, supposing products, there are some products which are out of stock, correct? You know, there is a situation where company is manufacturing the products at such a rate, but it's going off the shelf very easily. What do? You react or you act? Do you call up your upline and shout and feel upset and grumble and say, what is this? I didn't get my product. This is happening. That's happening. I went to the DP. You know, what's the result? What is the result of it? You feel bad, correct? You feel lousy about it first. Your upline's day is also spoiled sometimes. But if you would have thought for a minute and acted without reaction, means what? If you would have thought, oh, the products are moving off the shelf, it means there is so much of demand.
Yes.
So you again are able to tell your downline, see, there is so much of demand for the products. That is why it goes off the shelf. What happens? Your downline feels good that they have joined into a fantastic company, a company which today is number one. Let me tell you, all of you here, that you have joined into the best company. Today, Modi Care company is number one company in India. So your behavior is a function of our decisions, not our conditions. It means what? How we act. It is not it is not a function of the condition, but it is a function of your decision. How you act to any situation will make you feel good or bad, will make your team feel good or bad, will make your downlines feel good or bad, will make your uplines feel good or bad. So overall, there is a good feeling. The ability to take a response is responsibility. What is the meaning of responsibility? It means what? Can you read the word responsibility? That means what? Your ability to take a response is responsibility. So beautiful. What response do you take with your ability? Good or bad? It'll change the situation. So in Modi Care, my dear friends, coming to it, when people treat you bad, how do you feel? When people treat you bad, people do not treat you the way you want to be treated. How do you feel about it? It will depend upon your response. When you think, oh, it's okay, so what? I know I'm good. He never treated me well, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. You will feel good. But if you think, how can he treat me like that? You feel bad. It means what? Your confidence is very low. That's why you feel bad. But if you feel good about yourself, automatically you change the situation. So the first trait of rising star is they are all proactive. They are ready to act on any situation without reacting to any situation. So in your network, if you have somebody, if there is a situation which is not very good, but he still calls you and tells, it's okay, sir, it's okay, madam, no problem. I know this is the problem, this is the issue about it, but things will get better. Then you know you have a rising star, right? That is the first thing. So my message to all of you out there is, when I'm talking about rising star, do not only think of your team downlines, think of yourself and say, I should be that rising star for my upline. Only then your downlines will be that rising star for you. Okay? Do not judge people and say, oh, my downline is like that or my downline is like that. No. Think of yourself and say, I want to be that proactive person for my upline. So from today, take a conscious decision. If you have been complaining or criticizing for anything in your business or in your personal life, today is the day you're going to stop doing it. Today is the day you're going to take total responsibility of your business and say, whether my upline or downline comes with me or doesn't come with me, I am going to act. I am going to perform. I am going to function. It is in your hands. So then you see how the situation changes, my dear friends. So the first thing is, let us all act to situations without reacting to situations. And remember that your behavior is a function of your decision. How you behave, it is only based on your decision and not the outside situation. Outside situation can never change your decision. Only your response can change your result, what happens, right? Okay, now what is the next of a rising star? A rising star participates in every program. I'm coming to this. I want to ask you all a question. Say, supposing I'm your downline and I come to you and I say, I want to deposit 1 lakh rupees into the recurring deposit and I want interest immediately. But I'm not ready to make the deposit now. But however, you can start paying me immediately. Is it possible?
No.
It's not possible. How nice if it was possible. In direct selling, in Modi Care, most of the time, you will find people who will make excuses and say, let my first check come, then I'll buy the products. Correct? Let this product launch, then I will start doing my business. Let that person join my business, then I will start doing my business. That day will never come. It's like going to the bank and telling them, I want interest for the money that I am going to deposit. That will never happen. So you will find your rising stars who do not wait for things to happen, but who make things happen. They are your rising stars. Any program that whatever is happening, they are ready to participate in without making an excuse, and they realize that reward follows effort. Means what? Whatever effort you put in, reward will automatically follow. It is not first let my reward come, then I will start putting in effort. Does that happen anywhere?
No chance.
Nowhere it happens. First, you have to plant the seed. Only then you get the tree. The tree never grows and then tells, okay, now you plant the seed. Of course, whether the tree came first or the seed came first, we don't know. But first, if you want a tree, you have to plant a seed. Right? And that is a seed that we should plant, because rising stars realize activity plus skill plus attitude is equal to result. What is activity? What is an activity? Activity means the work that we do, correct? Activity is hard work and smart work. I will call it both. Means what? The programs that you attend, the calls that you make, the DMOs that you are doing, the daily method of operation. How many calls are you making to your team? From when you came to know that there was a program today, your rising stars would have called you and said, Madam, I am attending today's program. How many rising stars called the upline and said, I'm attending today's program with my team? If you have done it, you are a rising star. And if your downline has done it, they are your rising stars. That means what? You don't wait for your upline to call you, but you take full charge of the responsibility and say, today there's a meeting. I'm going to inform my team, and I'm also going to call my upline and say, I'm going to be there with my full team. That's a rising star. I'll tell you what, till you do not do it, your team will not start doing it. So here is an opportunity for all of you to start doing it. And skill. What is a skill? How to, communication skills are very important for us in network marketing. Have you learned the art of communicating, how to speak to your downlines? It is an art. Please learn it. It's not very difficult. Once you learn it, you will see that it'll become so easy that in your everyday life also you can start doing the same thing. It's so beautiful. Communication skills, my dear friends. And there are so many videos on communication skills. What to tell your team, how to tell your team. Now, for example, when you call your downline and you inform them about today's program, what are you going to tell about today's program? Today, our upline is doing a training program. I am going to be there. And I'm sure you're also going to be there. Finish your work on time and participate into it. And please see that your downlines are also there. Most of the time, you know what they will tell? Yes, I forwarded the message. No forwarding messages. Pick up the phone and call your downlines. Have a list. 15, 20 downlines that you have to call when there is a program, because till you do not pick up the phone and call, they will not pick up the phone and call their downlines. I'm sure about that. So if you're a rising star and if your team downline has given a call to all your team, all her team members or his team members about today's program or about any program, then you have a rising star. So have you done that call? If you have done, you are a rising star. Have you got a call from your upline? Then that upline of yours is a rising star. It's okay. Let's start from today. If you're not doing it, never mind. Let's start doing it. Because Skill is something that we need to learn in direct selling. Actually, if you look at it, you don't need education in network marketing, but you need these education system, which is so important for us, and we can use it in our everyday activities also. Plus attitude. I've already spoken to you about attitude. Attitude means what? The response to act in a situation is your attitude. In every situation, try to act in a good way. Sometimes it doesn't. It's okay. We are all human, but we need to learn. When you start learning it, automatically you will start without any effort. You will see you will start doing it. So, are you doing these three things together? Activity plus skill plus attitude. That is the result. So, if you're not getting that result that you're wanting, look at this equation. If you are a rising star and your downline is also a rising star, or you want to identify the rising stars, are they having the three things? Activity, skill, attitude. If they have all the three things, they are a rising star, and the rising star results will automatically come, my dear friends. It's like you make a cup of tea. You need water, you need tea leaf, you need milk, you need sugar. Only then you'll get the perfect tea. Am I right? So also you need activity, you have to have the skill, you have to have the attitude, and then you will get the 100% result. Right? Next, rising stars are willing to take risks. You know, FSP. How many of you speak about FSP to your team? You should speak. Your rising star will speak about the FSP. Your rising star will call you. I've got team members who call me and ask me, what is the FSP? Because they've heard it somewhere. They are not aware about it. Maybe I would have forgotten to tell them, but they will call and ask me, what's an FSP? I want to do an FSP. What are the benefits of an FSP? They will be willing to take the risk of that 7,000, 8,000 BV or 10, 15,000 rupees. It's a small amount, but they will be willing to take that small risk. I'll tell you what, FSPs are giving excellent result.
Okay.
So to your rising stars, do please suggest about the FSPs. Loyalties are easy. Repurchase program is easy. Nothing difficult in them. You have to buy the products, you get the free products. And the distribution points, yes. DPs are getting excellent results, my dear friends. It's not necessary we all have to pick up our DPs, but yes, do suggest about the DP to your team. If you are doing it to your downlines, then you are a rising star. And if anybody is doing it in your team, he is a rising star who's talking about the DPs to his team downline. Because DPs means what? It means a person is ready to do the business. DP is not to make money. Let me tell you that. A DP is to do service for your downlines. So it's only a rising star who will talk about a DP, who will want to perform in a DP, who will want to take a DP. So talk about the DP, share about the DP, and open as many DPs as possible in your team. It really helps. They are internally motivated. You know what? They don't need external motivation, rising stars. They don't wait for the call of the upline. They don't need any motive. What is internally motivated? It means they are so charged inside itself. They want to perform, they want to do. No matter what, they are willing to take that responsibility, they are willing to take that risk. Anything that you, as an upline, you tell them to come for programs, they'll come. You tell them to do loyalty, they will do. You tell them to do the repurchase, they will do. You tell them to speak to at least 2 or 3 people every day, they will do. You tell them to show at least one plan a day, they will do. You ask them to share at least about one product every day, they will do. They are all internally motivated to do these activities. They don't need a push from the team uplines. They know they have to do it, and they will automatically do it. So once you find somebody who's internally motivated, even if you don't call him for 2-3 days, he will give you a call. He's internally motivated. I want to ask you one thing. In which area do not we have challenges or problems? In every area, everywhere. Any business you take up, you will have challenges, you will have problems in every field. Even if it is a small tea shop that you're opening, you'll have a problem. You might be earning the earnings from a tea shop, maybe 20,000 or 30,000, that's all. But you see how much of problems he has to face. A small tailoring unit, how much of problems you'll have to face. A small beauty parlor, if you have to start with 2 or 3 lakh rupees investment, how much of issue you have to face. And this is a very, very big business. Don't look at it as a soap and shampoo business. It is a hope business. Look at it as a business where people are buying their Mercedes and their Benz and their Jaguars. It is not a business, a small business where you can earn just 10, 20,000 rupees. You might be earning 10, 20,000 rupees today. It's okay. But look at what this business can give you. So your rising star is going to be internally motivated, and he will not worry what is the check today, but he is working for the future. He knows that if he has to build a good future, he has to build it in the present for us to get a good future. So they are people, even if you don't remind them and tell them every day Upline is doing program at this time, come, they will come by themselves. Once they know, they will call and ask, what is the timetable? Share with me the timetable. It is not only about, yes, everything is ultimately BV, but how do you get the BV? Maybe you can perform well. You can do everything well, but remember, this is teamwork. You're working with a team. There are many people in your team who are not internally motivated, who do not know how to do the business. They want you to hold their hand. So be that rising star and hold the hand of your team and take them to the success point along with you. It really doesn't matter. There are so many people who need it. So from today, my dear friends, each one of you, don't look at your upline and downline and say, I wish he was a rising star. No, tell yourself, I am going to be that rising star. I wish and I want to do that rising star activities from today itself. They start their own programs and look at the picture as a whole. Every rising star will start a Zoom program. So have you started it? It means you're a rising star. If you have not, do it today, because you are still a rising star and you can start it today. I tell you what, don't worry if there are 5 people or 10 people or 20 people. No, it's okay. Start. Once you start, automatically they will start joining. Like Prema this morning was sharing with me, once she started a program, she had only 3 or 4 people, but she's so happy that her team is growing every day. Every time she starts a Zoom program, they are growing. That's important. Don't worry about the numbers. If your numbers are growing, it's a good sign. And it will grow. Don't give up. Let it be even 20 people for 15 days. Continue to do it. Those 20 people need your help and support. They are your rising stars. So think that you are building your rising stars. And they do not only look at building their network, it's also the network of Modicare as a whole. Modicare Karnataka, Modicare India, Modicare team. It's as a whole we are building. If people are not doing it, it's okay. Don't focus on that. You start it. So when you are doing a program, if you can share about this in the open, WhatsApp chats about your programs to other people also, let them come and benefit. The more the people, the more better. Your team will also get benefited, because when your downlines will see more and more people are participating, that thinking is there, oh, so many people are coming, So that's how we benefit from each other. See, we are all human beings. We are all socially dependent on each other. God has sent us to the world and told us, ask and you will receive, seek and you will find, knock and it shall be open to you. He says, I have sent you all as a team. I want you all to perform together. So your rising star will be a very, very good team player. I've not used the word team player, but he will look at the picture as a whole. It's not only about I, me, and myself. It's about we. I is all alone. I stands alone. Can you see it? He stands alone. But we, wow, look so beautiful. We is all together. And see, none of the fingers are same. They're all different.
That's
Every
true.
person in your team will be different. So a rising star understands that everybody in my team is going to be different. One is going to be good in products, one is going to be good in plan, one is going to be good in testimony, one is going to be good in invitation. So as a team, when we start performing, we help each other to grow. So a rising star is a very good team player. That is a very, very important trait of a rising star. He will not only think of himself, but he's going to think of a team as a whole, Modi Care India as a whole, Modi Care Karnataka as a whole, right? Rising stars focus on personal renewal. Just recently, we had a little change, and not change, a betterment for the plan, unlimited plan, correct? That was a better plan. Now, many consultants are of the thinking that everything is happening well, why do we need to change? But a rising star understands a change is inevitable. Change is the only constant thing in the world. If you need to progress, you have to accept change. If you need to grow, you have to accept change. You cannot be at the same level of thinking what you were when you joined, because you have to expand your thinking. Only then you will grow. What level of thinking you were in your first class, if you continue to live in the first class thinking, you'll never be able to perform in your second class and third class and fourth class. You understand my point? So if you need to get yourself promoted to the next level, you need to surrender to change. Accept change. My, everything, my this, my that, no. My really will never expand your thinking. You have to surrender to the universe. You have to, tell to the universe that I want, big things in life. For that, you cannot have a small thinking. Your productivity will depend upon your thinking. How big is your thinking? Your productivity will never outshoot your thinking. Let me tell you that. If your thinking is small, you will never become a rich and a successful man in every area. When I say rich and successful, I'm not only talking about money. I'm talking every other way. How, in your relationship, in your behavior, in your everything. So if we need to really become big, if we really need to, get the grace of God, then it's so important that you have to accept it and say, yes, God is working in my life with that faith. You know what is the biggest weapon of fear? What is the biggest, most powerful weapon of fear? Most of us live with fear, right? All of us. We are human beings. Somewhere in our mind, we have fear. But I'll tell you, make faith so big that when you look, your fear should look so small. You should not even be able to look at your fear. Your faith should be so big. When you look at it, you should say, oh, my faith, my God, my Lord, my, my surrendering attitude, my attitude of gratitude is so powerful. When you start cultivating those things, your fear becomes smaller and smaller and smaller. But your fear remains big if your faith remains small. So the only way to cut on your fear is to improve on your faith. Do not have any fear about the business. If you have got into it, claim it, accept it, that this business God has started only for you. Accept it, claim it, tell it. Say, wow, Samir Modi sir has started this business only for me and my family. So nice of him. I'm so happy for him. I'm so grateful to him. My uplines are doing so much to help me perform. I'm so happy. How many Zoom programs they are doing? How many YouTube sessions are there? How many trainings are happening every day in Modi Care? I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Look at that and attend the programs. Sometimes people are grumbling and saying, so many programs, what all should I attend? I mean, even when you are getting also we grumble, when we don't get also we grumble, then how do we become a rising star? So to become a rising star, look at what you're getting and work on it. Don't look at what you're not getting. Don't even look at it. Just close your eyes to it. Don't bother about it. See what you're getting and how you can use it to change your life. So accept change in life. If you were getting up at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock in the morning, tell, if I have to become big in life, I have to start getting up at 8 in the morning or 9 in the morning. Why? Because give more time to your personal growth. That's the next point. You will have more time for DMO, daily method of operation. If you have decided as a rising star that you are going to give 4 hours to your Modi Care business, give your 4 hours. Don't make it part-time in your part-time. This is what I always tell. You're into a job or you're a housewife, you have the house, you have your husband, you have your children, do it. They need you. You have to, as a woman, you have to do all those things for your home. But if you're giving 3 hours to your business, give the 3 hours. If you're at a job and you're giving 1 hour or 2 hours to your Modi Care business, give that 1 or 2 hour every day. Give it. Speak to your team, speak to prospects, speak to new people, speak to cold calls, attend your YouTubes, learn about one product every day, learn how many products Modi Care is launching. But I'll tell you what, first, to identify rising stars in your team, you have to be a rising star. Only then you can identify them. Because if you are not doing all this, you will never know that it's important. And you will never be able to identify if anybody in your team is doing it. So have a DMO as a rising star. Write it in your book. 10 to 1 or 11 to 1 or 7 to 9. I'm at office till 6 o'clock. I come home, I freshen up. 7 to 8, half an hour I'm on my calls. At least make 5 calls a day. It might be to new people. It might be to prospects. It might be to cold prospects. It might be to warm prospects. It might be to your practicing prospects. You know, you also have practicing prospects. You know, they'll not join, but practice on them. Practice on them. They're the best people. Anyway, they're not going to join, right? So when they ask you questions back, you will start learning how to answer them. And attend YouTube sessions, at least 1 a day, or at least 1 in 2 days. Learn at least 1 product training, 1 product demo. That is your daily method of operation. So as a rising star, again, it's very, very important. So if anybody in your team is doing it, yes, he is your rising stars. And I know many of you are doing it and many of you are getting it done. So that is what you are. And yes, sharpen the saw, continuous education program. Today, even in your mobiles, there are so many, training programs happening on Modi Care and off Modi Care also. You have books which are there on your YouTube. You can download the books and you can read them. Attend training programs on power of positive thinking by Vincent Pill. I had downloaded that tape and I was listening to it. It's on a recording, 2 hours, 3 hours. Listen to it. Not necessary you need to finish it in 1 day. You can listen to it 15-20 minutes every day. Every day, listen to 15-20 minutes. It's full. I'll tell you everything. If you got a mobile phone, everything is on it. You can listen to the recording. When you're doing your work, listen. Put on your earphone. When you're cleaning your house, you can listen. When you're cooking, you can listen. When you're traveling to work, you can listen. Listen to it. Listen to these tapes about Modi Care and even about life. Because I'll tell you what I've realized, lessons in life and lessons in Modi Care match. If you learn lessons of life, how to live a good life. Am I right, Prema?
Yes, very true. Very true.
You're attending morning class every day, correct?
Yes. Yes.
I want you to share 1 minute about the morning class, Prema. Can you share?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, please tell. What is a morning class? And
See,
when you get up, what are you doing? I want you to share about it.
Okay. So, Nina, I'll get up at 4:15 daily.
Wow. Superb.
I'll do my daily routine.
Okay.
Then I'll lit the God's lamp.
Fantastic.
After that, I'll do little meditation.
Superb.
Then my class starts from 4:50,
Wow. Wow.
4:50 to 6.
Fantastic.
Then 6 to 7, some other recreation session will be there.
Fantastic.
So after that, I'll go for walk half an hour.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So she's on a continuous education program. I don't know if she can share more about what she's doing into, but if any of you really want to participate wholeheartedly, you're ready to give. For the past how many months you're doing, Prema?
This is the second time.
Second time. How many days in a month?
Actually, 1 month.
Okay.
But this time, I think more than 45 days.
45 days continuously, she's attending that program. And I can really see a change in Prema. Of course, Prema was already a wonderful person, always smiling, laughing. You know, I'll tell you, it's not that if the result that you get depending upon that is what your behavior. It's okay even if you're not getting the result that you want in Modike, but staying on to it and believing and having faith that you will get the result, that's the beauty, that's the power, that's the strength what even Prema has. And I've really seen her evolve. I've really seen her change as a person. Really, Prema, it's really fantastic.
Thank you. All blessings from you only, Nina. Thank you so much.
Prema, see, I'll tell you, we can only show the way, but walking, you have to walk, which you have done it. You have to walk on your own, and you have walked the way best without even chappals. I've seen so many times. I'm just trying to tell in the other sense. What I'm trying to say is, you have really done it the hard way. I've seen you doing things the hard way. See, that's what is network marketing, direct selling, or growing in life all about. It's you will get the result, and you wait for it, and you continue to do your activity and productivity every day. She is into a continuous education program. And are you learning, Prema, from it?
Yeah, 100%.
100% you're learning.
Yes.
And I'll tell you, the topics are amazing.
Yes,
I too attended it for a month, and I was really, we just need to thank God.
Yes,
And there
yes.
is so much to learn, so much to learn. We think we know everything.
Yes.
But when we get into this, we realize we know nothing. Isn't it?
Correct.
Really so much to learn in life, friends. Don't stop learning in life. Don't stop growing in life. You know, the only way to fail in life is when you stop growing and stop failing in life, when you stop learning in life. It's like this. There's a nice story which I want to share with all of you, which all of you should understand, listen to that story, and participate in that story. Most of you know the story. It's like, in a workplace, there was a person who was working, and he used to work very hard. What was his job? He would have to cut the trees. He would go morning to evening, cut the trees with his axe. That was his work that he had got. And slowly it so happened that earlier he used to cut 100 trees, and he started cutting 90 trees, and it come to 80 trees. So what happened, over a period of time where he was working in that department, they hired one more person to cut the trees. Now, when that person came over, initially he started cutting 100 trees, then he started cutting 110, then he started cutting 120, he started cutting 130. So the person who was Mr. A, who joined first, he saw that he is working more harder than the person who joined afterwards. The person who joined afterwards was not working as hard as him, but still he was cutting more trees. So he wanted to know what is the reason. So when he went and asked him, how is it I see you working less but having more productivity? What is the reason behind that? He said, oh, it's very simple. He said, each time I cut 10 trees, I sharpen my axe. Each time I cut 10, 20 trees, I sharpen my axe. So that's how I'm able to cut more and more trees. So we think we know everything in life, and we want to lead our life with that same level of thinking, but we cannot go ahead. So if you need to change, and if you need to go to where you want to go, you cannot go if you are at the same level of thinking. You need to expand your thinking. Only then you'll be able to reach to that level. And that will happen when you get into a continuous education program. Every day, I'll tell you what, 15-20 minutes is also enough. You don't have to give 2 to 3 hours every day to learn. 15-20 minutes, if you read a good book or you attend some good programs, that's good enough. And about the morning classes, I don't know if you can attend, that you'll have to check up. We'll have to give you a test. Only then you can qualify for it. Not everybody can qualify it. Am I right, Prema?
Yes.
Yes, not everybody can qualify. Right. So, and keep looking for rising stars in your team. A rising star, always keep looking for whatever I have shared with you. Yes, a person who's internally motivated, a person who comes for all the programs, a person who does all the loyalties, a person who does all the repurchases, a person who surrenders to change, a person who shows at least 15 plans a day. So if you look at it, whatever I have told, a rising star does, you know what? 10 steps to core. That's it. That's it. So anybody who does 10 steps to core is a rising star.
Yes.
And if anybody in your team is doing this core, he's a rising star. That's so simple, no? Actually, this business is very simple. It's not at all complicated. It's a simple, easy business. Don't complicate it, friends. Don't complicate it. Just meet as many people as you can and tell them to change their shop. Don't do it with tension. Don't think you need too many people. Start even with 4 people. Good. Go up to 6 people. Don't think when I get 20 people, I will start the business. When he joins my business, I will start the business. I mean, we complicate it. Why? Just register and start buying the products. If you like it, share it. If you don't like it, no problem. You don't lose anything. What do you lose? But if you want to gain, this opportunity is for you. If you want, you know what, whatever you are living today with 1 lakh rupees, if you're earning today in your job and you're having a life today, it means you're just leading a mediocre life. After 5 to 8 years, you will need 2 lakh rupees to lead the same life that you're leading today with 1 lakh. Do you have a plan to earn 2 lakh rupees in your job or anywhere? No, if you don't have a plan, then this is the plan for you. You are in the right place. Modi Care is for you. Modi Care is an opportunity that can change your life for generations together. I'll tell you, the company is planning big, very, very big. Samir Modi says, I want to become #1 in the world. He wants to go Fortune 500 company. That's a plan. See, he's thinking big, but he's taking baby steps. So that's how. We also have to think big, but take baby steps. Don't think small. Your steps will also remain very, 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 very small, and the productivity will be too small. So if you need big things in life, your thinking has to be big and your steps should be small. You don't have to do too many difficult things in Modi Care, friends. Just attend our Zoom programs. Get your team for the Zoom programs, start your Zoom programs, use products for your house. Simple activities. So in case you need to know more how to do it, call your appliance, call us, give us a phone, and yes, duplicate with patience and kindness. Do not be impatient with your team. Do not fire them. Do not scold them. If they ask you something 2 or 3 times, do not get angry with them. If they do not come for programs, what you have been calling them, do not get angry with them. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Think about yourself, how long you took to come. Many of you took so long to join into the programs. So it's okay, give them time, but be there, hold their hand. Be like a good mother or a father to them. They are like your children. You think if you scold today's children, they'll be there with you? No, you have to teach them with patience and kindness, but don't give up. If you see, parents never give up on teaching their children, correct? If you give up, you have failed. If you don't give up, you can never fail. Only quitters fail in this business. People who are into the business can never fail. They will get success. For some, it will take 2, for some, it will take 3, for some, it will take 5, for some, it will take 8. It's okay. I'll tell you what, you would have joined 10 years back, but you have started the business only 1 or 2 years back. So if you have given up in between, gone into a comfort zone or left the business due to some reason, don't count that time. That is not the time when you were into the business. No. You were in some other activity or in some other work. So don't count that as your time in Modi Care. The time from when you take a decision that I am going to do the business seriously, that is the first day of your joining in Modi Care. Because I know many who have joined 15 years back. Don't say I've joined 15 years back. Tell when you really started to do the business, because I know they would have joined 15 years, but they have started doing the business only 1 year back or 8 months back. And I'll tell you what, if you have started even 1 year back, it's okay, good, happy. Don't think you've lost anything much, because now is the right time. But give yourself 3 to 5 years from the time you take a decision to do the business seriously. Give yourself 3 to 5 years time. That's a rising star. So don't give up. Do it, duplicate it, learn, do it, and teach. Learn, perform, and teach. Learn, perform, and teach. That is what is direct selling all about. So I think that's all. Now I'm going to stop screen sharing. And I hope you all enjoyed the program. I hope you all learned the program, something you all learned. So indirectly, 10 steps of core is what is Modi Care step to success. As I always say, there is no secret to success. There is a system to success. If you follow the system, guaranteed you will be successful. So there are a lot of people, last month their checks were more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh. Philip, how many people in our team have earning more than 1 lakh? More than 400 people are earning more than 1 lakh of rupees.
Nice.
That's what it is, friends. You know, this is the dream I used to see, and now I can see it coming true. And more than almost 50 to 80 earning more than 5 lakh rupees. And today, how many, luxury cars in Modi Care India I'm talking about. More luxury cars, almost 3 to 4 cars a day, out of which 1 car is a luxury car. It's like that. It's become so common to have cars in Modi Care. And yes, foreign trip is soon coming. Do the business, qualify for your travel fund. Foreign trips are amazing. They're too good. Don't miss on to it. Let's all enjoy together. So thank you very much and have a good evening. And thank you for participating in today's program. And over to you, Prema.
Thank you very much, Nina. Very much. Because it was a very simple training, but it is very powerful. Because everybody has to follow only these steps. That's all.
Yes, exactly.
If we follow all these things, definitely we can fulfill all our dreams. There is no doubt at all. Thank you so much, Nina.
Thank you, Prema. Thank you, Prema.
So,
can you put yourself on the spotlight, Prema? Okay, I'll put you on the spotlight. Yeah, I'll put you on the spotlight.
Okay. Okay. See, friends, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಅವರ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸಮಯ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತುನು ತುಂಬಾನೇ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್, ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್. ಕಂಪನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮೋದಿ ಕೇರ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅವರು, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಸ್ಕಿಲ್, ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ನಿಜವಾಗೂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, ಇವಾಗ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಿಜವಾಗ ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಈ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರೊಂದು ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೂರೂನು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೋದಿಕೇರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಟೀ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟೀ ಪೌಡರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಶುಗರ್ ಬೇಕು, ನೀರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ತರ